takes a long time for a writer to put all of their thoughts on the pages. My name is Mrs. Beard and I teach first grade at Cold Harbor Elementary. Having students make books is just really empowering. They feel like authors and illustrators, and that's what they see. They see we read books all the time, and so that's what real writing looks like. And so now they get to take ownership and make books. So it's really neat. This year I've kind of shifted my approach. They're making their own books, and it has really changed things, and I just see a lot of motivation with them.
This book, well, it's not finished yet. It's about villains in New York. That's the title. Writing books is really fun, and you get to make your own creation.
Really neat. I was just kind of looking at their writing from the fall, where a lot of them were writing maybe one sentence or a few sentences about a topic, to their writing most recently. So I've seen a huge amount of growth in not a whole lot of time, which is so exciting. It's just a group of students who are eager to learn, who are excitable, and love to write.
Miss Beard is the best teacher ever.
We are
HANOVER Strong.